Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you a mix of 5 different keyboard shortcuts when using Eclipse for Java developers. In case you are not already using these shortcuts, try to incorporate them in your work and test which of them help you the most. If you just use a few of them more frequently in the future, I'm pretty sure that they will speed up your overall workflow. So let's get started. Let's say you have a few classes that you want to move to another directory. These here. You could use the mouse for that and select and drag and drop the files into place, but here's an alternative. Simply select the files you want to move, press Alt plus Command plus V, select the destination package, I choose this one now, and confirm, and they are moved to the other package. If you want to rename a class, you can select the class and press F2 to rename the file and the class in it, like so. If you want to rename a method instead, place the text cursor on the method name and press Alt plus Command plus R, change the name and confirm your change by pressing Return. This way, all the occurrences of the old method name in your code will be automatically updated. Let's say you want to generate getter and setter methods for a Java Bean class. Just navigate the text cursor to the start position, press Alt plus Command plus S, move the selection to generate getters and setters using your arrow keys, confirm as Enter, select the desired fields, and confirm the dialog with Enter again. Assume you just wrote a little stream that maps certain data into another format. You want to continue using the result and want to store it in a local variable. Press Command plus 2 and then L to generate the necessary code. Adding comments to non-trivial code may be crucial to understand it later when you need to make changes. Depending on where you place the text cursor, you can add Javadoc comments to your code by pressing Alt plus Command and J, like so. Then just fill in the comments and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. In case you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you did not like it, a thumbs down. Either way, please let me know in the comments what you think. If you do not want to miss any future videos, simply subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notifications when a new video is published.